Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix messages not showing on Spotify. If you're using Spotify and your messages are not showing, so let's see how can you fix that issue. If you are having any issue that your messages are not showing here in your share side, so let's see how can you fix that. First of all, you have to make sure that you have the latest version of Spotify. So to make sure, you have to open your App Store app, and here simply go for search, and you have to search for Spotify here. Once you have searched, you have to make sure that you have updated version of your Spotify, and after that you have to reopen your Spotify app and here recheck if your problem is fixed or not. If you're having the same issue like that, as you can see, there is no any share option or message option. So let's see how can you fix that. You have to try to restart your phone, or after restarting, if you're still having the same issues, you have to reinstall your Spotify app. So first of all, we're going to restart our iPhone. So now to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button until you get the black screen on your iPhone. So now try that. First, quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button until your screen goes fully black. It will take a while, so you just have to wait for that. And once your have screen goes black, just wait for Apple logo here. And once you have Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone restarting. Once the phone has restarted, you have to unlock your phone. Here simply enter your passcode and then open your Spotify app. It might be that your problem will be fixed, but if it doesn't, you have to reinstall your Spotify app. So keep a long press on your Spotify. Then from here you have to uninstall the app first. Select the remove app option. Then select delete app. Once you have uninstalled, you have to reinstall the Spotify app, and then you can easily use messages or DMs on your Spotify. So in this way you can easily fix if your message is not showing on your Spotify. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.